Unfortunately, a lot higher. We're just probably one headline from another surge in prices. Coming into this week, we were assigning, based on our quantitative modeling, a 16% probability that by June, oil prices will hit $150 a barrel. So what does that mean to the consumer? Well, when we translate 150 to the historical relationship to gasoline, we're now looking at $4.30. And we have to keep in mind what we're doing. We're consuming winter-grade gasoline. Beginning next month, oil refineries will have to supply summer-grade gasoline. That's a blend of gasoline that is very expensive to produce, and the historical winter to summer uptick is about 30 cents. So we're looking at, by June, best case scenario, $4.50. However, when we look at the probability of $150 oil, that brings us to $5.05, upwards of $5.20 on a national average. That's important because adjusted for inflation, that's the real all-time high. That will break the record that we saw in July of 2008.
Yeah.
So the bottom line here is we're at an inflection point. We are at a point where the consumer is going to suffer hard this summer.
Okay, we're going to get more on gasoline with Patrick DeHaan of Gas Buddy in just one moment. So I want to focus back to oil. Try to end on a positive note, Stephen, which is this. If we get an end, let's pray, tomorrow, okay, to Putin's war, which he probably knows, the world knows, is unwinnable ultimately. Let's say we get a war, some sort of pullback this week. What happens to the price of oil? Does it collapse $20 a barrel overnight? Does it go back below 100?
Right now, probably. We are well overdone. But keep in mind, we were in a super bull market before anyone was even talking about the Ukraine story. We're looking at supply scarcity around the globe. We're looking at demand, and now that COVID mitigation protocols have essentially been lifted entirely in the United States, you're going to see a surge in demand for gasoline and for energy, and there's just simply not enough supply. So yes, we will get a pullback from this sugar high, but we are certainly not going back to anywhere where we were this time last year.